Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can set Spotify's song as ringtone. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Shortcuts app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now tap on the plus icon at top right corner and a new window will slide up. Here, tap on the top bar to rename your new shortcut and then tap on the Done embed. After that, long press on the shortcut, select Details and then toggle on the Show in Share Sheet feature. Once done, access the shortcut again, tap on this embed and make sure only the media feature is turned on. Now save it, tap on the Add Action button and search for Encode Media. Here, add this feature to your shortcut, expand its menu and turn on Audio Only. After that, tap on the search bar at the bottom, search for Save File, and then add this feature to the shortcut. Once added, expand its menu and make sure that the first feature is toggled on. Now, open the Spotify app, search for the target sound and screen record it on your mobile phone. After recording it, go to the gallery, locate it, tap on the Share button, and then navigate to the shortcut we just created. Tap on it and then select the export location. Once the video is converted, open the GarageBand app and tap on Continue. Now, navigate to the audio recorder, access it, and then go to the recorder window. Here, tap on the settings icon, tap on Section A, and change the overall length of the recording. After that, select this loop icon, go to the Files tab, and then tap on the Files embed from this drop-down menu. Here, locate the audio file we just converted and let it upload. Once it completes, tap and drag it onto the audio timeline. Here, you can play it and adjust it to your liking. Once you are done, tap on this arrow icon, then long press on the ringtone and select Share. After that, select Ringtone, tap on Continue, and then rename it. Once renamed, tap on the Export embed and let it complete. After it is done loading, go to the Settings app, access Sounds and Haptics, and then change the ringtone to the new one. So that's basically how you can set Spotify's song as ringtone. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.